Hi lovelies, welcome to my channel. It's Imai again and you are tuned in for another interesting video. Today I'll be sharing with you a simple home remedy to prevent hair loss so that you don't have to shed so much hair just by combing your hair. If you're interested in knowing all the good stuff, please keep on watching and ensure you watch this video to the end. To begin, get a clean bowl or cup, grab a green tea bag like so. Any green tea is just fine. I won't be showing you the brand that I'm using so that you won't get confused. Any green tea you have at home is just fine, provided it's green tea. Next, I will pour hot water in the bowl. So here are some of the benefits of green tea to your hair. It reduces hair loss because it contains DHT blockers. It reduces hair shedding. It has the ability to stimulate hair growth, treats scalp flaking and dandruff, softens hair because it contains polyphenol, vitamin C and vitamin E. Next thing to add is ginger powder, and I'll be adding half teaspoon of that. Ginger increases the scalp circulation that results in the flow of blood to the scalp. It also stimulates the hair follicles and encourages growth. Once I'm done adding that, I will go ahead and stir all the ingredients to combine and then allow to sit for 30 minutes before sieving. After sieving, the next thing to do is to transfer to my applicator bottle for easy application. So guys, once this is done, our hair loss remedy is ready for application. As you can see, I'm excited. This mixture really works for me and I'm sure it will work for you too. I love to use this to moisturize my hair using the LCO method. I love to do this at least once a week. I spray this on my hair, starting with my scalp to my hair shaft, working that in, making sure the liquid gets to my entire hair strands. Can you see the beads of water sitting on my hair? That's because I have low porosity hair and it takes time for this to get into my hair. So next, I use my lightweight leave-in as my cream. And lastly, I coat my hair with shea butter. So that's my shea butter and I'm going to be using that as a sealant to seal in all the moisture. And after I'm done with that, I'll go ahead and twist that section up. So I'll twist that section up and then move over to the next section and repeat the same process. Please note that you can also use this on your wash day by spraying it on your hair before coating with your deep conditioner. It works that way too. You can equally use it as a tea rinse on your wash day, just the last process on your wash day. So that brings me to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and please remember to subscribe, like, share and turn on the bell icon so you could be notified on my future video, guys. Thank you once again and I will see you in my next video. Bye loves.